I honestly think that they're unique. And I mean, I'm sure everybody thinks their stories are unique, but when I first started writing romance, which was back in 2010, I had some friends who worked for, or who wrote for publishers, and basically they were given a cookie cutter. By this chapter, this needs to happen. By this chapter, this needs to happen. And I don't believe in writing that way. I believe in being creative and unique, and I love twists and turns, and I like to surprise readers. And often I'm surprised because, like I said, I'm not a plotter, so sometimes my characters will take me someplace I didn't expect to go. But I think it's the uniqueness and the fact that they're not like other people's stories. Being a New York Times bestselling author is helpful. I mean, honestly, there's times where the romance genre doesn't get the kudos that they should. I mean, we're a huge genre and with very voracious and wonderful readers. So, but sometimes when you say, well, I'm a romance writer, people say, oh. And when you can say, I'm a New York Times bestselling author, it kind of makes them realize that there is a market for this and there is a wonderful genre out there.